Welcome to Wealthwise Summaries. In today's insightful episode, we delve into Alex Hormozi's $100 million offers, how to make offers so good people feel stupid saying no. This groundbreaking book uncovers the secrets behind creating high-value offers that are irresistible to customers. Hormozi, with his vast experience in entrepreneurship and marketing, guides us through the art of crafting offers that not only attract customers but also drive substantial business growth. Join us as we explore the strategies and insights that can transform your business approach and skyrocket your success. The concept of irresistible offers. The book begins by explaining the core concept of an irresistible offer, an offer so compelling and value-packed that it becomes almost impossible for your target customer to refuse. It emphasizes understanding the target market deeply, including their desires, pain points, and the solutions they are willing to pay a premium for. Value perception. The author discusses how the perceived value of an offer is critical. The focus is on creating offers that provide immense value to the customer, far exceeding the cost. It's not just about the actual worth of a product or service, but about how much value the customer believes they are getting. Market research and understanding. In-depth market research is highlighted as a key step. The book guides readers on how to conduct market research effectively, gather insights about potential customers, and use this data to create tailored offers. Part 2. Crafting the offer. Tailoring solutions to customer needs. The author delves into the art of tailoring your products or services to meet the specific needs and desires of your target audience. It involves customizing your offer to address the unique challenges or aspirations of your customers. Pricing strategies. Detailed discussion on pricing strategies forms a crucial part of the book. The focus is on how to price your offer not just to cover costs and earn a profit, but also to reflect the value it provides to the customer. The book covers different pricing models and strategies, helping readers to choose the one that best aligns with their offer and market. Presentation and communication. The way an offer is presented and communicated is just as important as the offer itself. The author provides insights into effective communication strategies that make the offer stand out and resonate with the audience. Part 3. Marketing and selling the offer. Building a sales funnel. The book guides readers through building an effective sales funnel that guides potential customers from awareness to purchase. It covers different stages of the funnel and strategies for optimizing each stage to maximize conversions. Marketing techniques. Innovative marketing techniques are discussed, focusing on how to market your offer effectively to reach and attract the right audience. The book emphasizes using a mix of traditional and digital marketing channels to broaden your reach. Overcoming objections. The author addresses common objections and hurdles that potential customers may have and how to overcome them effectively. It includes strategies for building trust and credibility, essential for convincing customers to accept the offer. Part 4. Case studies and real-world applications. Success stories. The book includes various case studies and success stories of businesses that have successfully implemented the strategies discussed. These real-world examples provide practical insights and inspiration for readers. Application in different industries. The author discusses how the principles and strategies in the book can be applied across various industries, highlighting the versatility of these methods. Summary of key takeaways. The book concludes with a summary of key strategies and principles for creating $100 million offers. It reinforces the importance of understanding your market, creating immense value, effective pricing, and powerful marketing. Final thoughts and encouragement. As we wrap up our summary of $100 million offers, how to make offers so good people feel stupid saying no, we reflect on the transformative strategies and insights provided by the author. These principles are not just theoretical, they are practical, actionable, and proven to yield significant results. We encourage you to apply these lessons to your business endeavors, crafting offers that are not just good but irresistible. Thank you for joining Wealthwise Summaries. For more in-depth business insights and strategies, remember to like, share, and subscribe.